Good morning to all. I am Anantika Jori, subject data communication and computer network. Today I will discuss Hamming code in computer network. Last topic we will discuss error detection and correction. What is error detection? Error detection uses multiple methods like CRC, checksum, and 2D parity bit check. Today we will discuss error detection and error correction. Learning objective of this lecture: types of error, error detection and correction, redundant bit and parity bit, need of Hamming code, algorithm and Hamming code, example of Hamming code. First start introduction of the error detection and error correction. What is error detection and error correction? We control the errors using error detection and error correction when we transmit the data one device to another device, message send one device to another device, message will be received accurately. No error will be detected. First, digital communication channels are vulnerable to noise causing data computation. Ensuring accuracy in transmission is essential. Error control includes error detection and error correction like Hamming code. Just revise the basic concepts of error detection and correction. First, network must be able to transfer data from one device to another with complete accuracy. Data can be corrupted during transmission. For reliable communications, error must be detected and corrected. Error detection and correction work on the data link layer and transport layer. Mainly work in the data link layer OSI model. Types of error. Three types of error occurred in the message. First, single bit error, multiple bit error, and burst error. Computer works on the 0 and 1. No variables and alphabets, numericals are not allowed. Computer understands the 0 and 1 language. So, error error will be 0 is converted into 1 and 1 converted into 0. Single bit error: when we change the only one bit in the change, like message is 0 and receiver side receive the 1, only one bit can be changed, error can be occurred during the transmission. When multiple bit will be changed, then the burst error. Sender send the this 100010, but receiver receive the 110111. This is called burst error. And multiple bits error, multiple bit change but not same sequentially. ये multiple bits change in the different position. It's called multiple bit error. Error detection. Error detection means how to find the error but not correct the error. Error detection uses the concept of data redundancy, which means adding extra bit of the detecting error at the destination. When we send the data, sender side, you add the some redundant bits using parity bits. Redundant bits is known as the extra bit of the original message. Error correction: when we send the message, use if you find the error, detect the error to change the error in correct the errors. Find the error and correct the error using Hamming code. The receiver can use an error correcting code which automatically corrects certain errors. Hamming code. Hamming code is a error detection and correction technique. error detection and correction technique, the error in the transmitted data. So it is an error detection and error detection code. Hamming code is automatically correct the single bit error. Only one bit error can be correct, and find the 2-bit error. Find 2-bit error, detect 2-bit error, but correct only 1-bit error. While transmitting the message, it is encoded with the redundant bits. Like original message is 00011. Hamming code is used redundant bit, like extra bit of the original message. Like 10 is added in the original message. It's a redundant bit of the message. So before transmitting, the sender has to encode the message with the redundant bits. It involves 3 steps: encoding the message with the Hamming code, selecting the number of redundant bits, choosing the location of the redundant bit, and assigning the values of redundant bit. First step, how many bits are added, and choose this location of this added the redundant bit. And third, assigning the values of the redundant bits. First, redundant bits is follow this condition: 2 की power r, 2 की power r less greater than equal to d plus r plus 1. 2 की power r value is 0, 1, 2 up to n. First, D is the original message, R is the redundant bit, D is the number of data bits. R is the redundant bits and D is the original data bits. Like, if you have 4 original bits, 0, 0, 1, 1. How many bits are added in redundant bits in this message? Find the 2 की power r greater than equal to data bits plus r plus 1. 2 r 0. First check the 0. 0 greater than equal to data bits are 4 plus r 0 plus 1. Not satisfy this condition. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Next, 2 की power 1, 4 plus 1 plus 1. 2 की power 1, 2. Not satisfied. Again, 2 की r value is 2 की power 2. Value is 4 plus 2 plus 1. 2 की power 4. Not satisfied. This condition. Again, 2 की power 3. 2 की power 3 greater than equal to 4 plus 3 plus 1. 8. Satisfy this condition. How many bits are added? 3 bits are added in the original message. 4 is data bits and 3 is redundant bits. First, find the how many bits are redundant bits are added in the original message. Next, 3 bits are added in the original message. Next, need for Hamming code in computer. Why we need for Hamming code in computer network? Error detection, and first is error detection and correction. No error detection is multiple method, but error correction is only one method. Error correction is only one method, Hamming code. Efficient data transmission. we can Hamming code is find the error and remove this error, and accurate message is sent again, not retransmit the message. Efficient data transmission. And next is reduced latency. Reduced latency means avoiding retransmission helps lower communication delay. Data integrity. Hamming code helps maintain data integrity by data single bit and some multiple bits error. Correcting single bits error, automatically preventing data corruption during transmission. Standardization and compatibility. Hamming code is a well-established error correcting code. It's widely used in Hamming code is standard error correcting method in many network protocols. Highly compatible, ensuring accuracy, help maintain data integrity by correcting transmission error. Algorithm. Main is algorithm of the Hamming code in computer network. First, error correcting code. A code used in a digital communication to detect and correct errors parallelly that occurs during data transmission. Redundant bits. Already discussed what is redundant bits and how calculate the add in original message and redundant bits. Hamming code Hamming code equals to Hamming code word Hamming code word Hamming code word is equal to original data bit plus redundant bit. It is known as bit. It is known as code word. Redundant bits is earlier discussed. To keep how to calculate the redundant bits is the original message added number of added redundant bit. Next, position of the redundant bit. How to find only how many added redundant bit, but the position of the redundant bit, original message and redundant bit. First, position and bits. Total number of हमारे messages 4. Original messages 4. Original messages 4. D is equal to data bit is equal to 4. Redundant bit is equal to 3. Redundant bit is equal to 3. Now we find the position of the redundant bit. Redundant bit position is 2 key power p parity bit. P is 0, 1, 2 up to n. Position of the parity bit is 2 की power 0. 3 redundant bit is 2 की power 0. 2 की power 0 is equal to 2. 2 की power 1 is equal to 2. 2 की power 2 is equal to 4. First position of the bit is R1 redundant bit. Second 1, 4 and 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. One, 2 and 4, and remaining position of the data bits, original message of the bits. Parity bits, it's 2 types, odd parity bit and even parity bits. How to find the even parity bit and odd parity bit? Check the number of ones and add it according to the number of ones. Check the number of ones is 3. Even parity bit added 1. and this one is added 0. Check the number of ones is even and odd. Even, add the 0, and odd, add the 1. Next, selecting the number of redundant bits. Earlier explained to keep our how to add the redundant bit. Next, choosing the location of the redundant bits. Let's take an example. First, P1. P1 is a parity bit. P1 is a parity bit. P1 is a parity bit 1, P1, P2, P3. Position is 1, 2 and 4. Remaining are the D1, D2, D3, D4. First, binary representation 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is 0, 0, 1. 2, 0, 1, 0. 3, 0, 1, 1. 4, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. Again 1, 1. First, check the first position of 1. Find the P1 value. First position of the 1. P1. P1 is equal to first position of the 1, D1 plus D5 plus D7. 1 plus 1 plus 1, add 1. Number of ones are odd. Number of ones are odd, then add the 1. Check the even parity bit. Next, P2. Next position of P2 is 1. 1, D1, D3, D1 plus D3 plus D7. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, 5, 7. D3 plus D7. Add P2 parity bit. Next, third position of the third redundant bit value is third position of the 1. No 1. D2 plus D3 plus D7. Using XOR, P3 value is 1, 1, 1. Value is D2 plus D3 plus D7. Check the number of ones. If number of ones are odd, add the number of ones are odd, then add 1. Number of ones are even, then add 0. Parity bit value is 1. If number of ones are odd, then add 1, and number of ones are even, add 0. Next, parity bit P1 covers all data bits position whose binary representation is 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And parity bit P2 2, 3, 7, 6, 7. These are the number of position of the original message of the bit. 4, 5, 6, 7. Find out the value of P3. Each parity bit checks the corresponding bit location and assign the bit value as 1 or 0 as to make the number of ones as even and odd, even for even parity bit and odd for odd parity bit. If, takes example, n is equal to 5. If we have a original message size is 5, number of bits in the original message is 5. D equal to 5. How many redundant bits we added? 2 की power condition 2 की power 4 if r equals to 4. satisfy this condition to add 4 bits, adding 4 redundant bits with the original message. So total code bit is 9. Code bit equals to 4 plus 5 plus 4. 5 is the original message and 4 is the parity bit, redundant bit. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Total code bit is 9. Next, value of the redundant bits. Check the P1. P1 is the first binary representation of the 1 to 9 and check the first position of the 1. First position of the 1, P1 equals to first P1 D1 plus first position D2 plus D4 plus D5. First is 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. According to this, 3, 5, 7 and 9. 3, 5, 7, 9. Check the number of ones in this. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Add the number of ones are even at the 0. Number of ones are even in the at the 0 and number of ones are odd at the 1. Number of ones are odd, then parity bit is 1. Next, find out the value of P2. P2, next position is second. Second will check the D1 is second position 1. No, D1 plus D3, next D7 plus D1, D3, D7. 3 values are here. Parity bit is number of ones are even. Number of ones are even, then parity bit is 0. P2 value is 0. Next, P3, third position, check the ones, D2, first D2, P3, D2 plus D3 plus D4, D3, D2 plus D4. Find number of ones are odd, add the 1. Number of ones are odd, 1 plus 1 plus 1, add the number of parity bit value is 1. If number of ones are odd, add the 1 and number of ones are even, add 0. Next, P4 value is, find the position of third position of the 1 in each original message. First, only D5. Number of ones added is, parity bit value is 1. Parity bit value is 1. For P1 bit location 3, 5, 7, 9 have 3 ones. To have even parity, P1 must be 1. 3 ones are here. Odd number of ones, add the 1. P2 location is 3, 6, 7 have 2 ones. Only 2 ones. So add number of ones are even. Then add parity bit value is 0. P3 position 5, 6, 7 have ones. To have even parity bit, P3 must be 1. Bits location 8, 9 have ones. To have even parity, add P2 is 1. Thus, the encoded message is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Original message is 1. Original message is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Original message is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. And coded message is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 added redundant bit. Send the receiver size this code word. How to detect and correct the errors in the Hamming code. How to find the errors in Hamming code, and how to find the error, detect and correct this error. After receiving the encoded message, each parity bit along with its corresponding group of bits are checked for proper parity, while checking the correct result of individual parity is marked as 0 and the wrong result is marked as 1. Receiver check the message coded message and all parity bits are 0 because of number of ones are even in the each parity bit. If we find the any position is 1, then find the error. If find the any position of the 1, you have find the error. If the form binary word has 0 bits, then there is no error in message. If we find the 1 bit, then there is error in the message. To detect the error, when we send the message 1100110 coded word, but receiver received this message 11001001, message using this message, error will be occurred because of digit will be changed. 11001, third bit will be changed 1 and this one is 0. How to find the error? How to detect the error? Bit location same, V1, P1, P2, P3, and this bits representation message is this. P2, P1, check the location 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, P1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Number of ones are even is equals to 0. P2. Next, P2. P2 is 2, 3, 6, 7. P2, 2, 0, 3, 1, 6, 0, 7, 0. Number of ones are if odd, then parity bit is 1. Next, P4, 8, 9, 8, 9, 8 and 9. P3 equals to 8 and 9. 1 plus 1 equals to 0. No error. Last one is 8, 9, P1, P2, P3, 3, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7, P3 is P3 is 3, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, P4. This is P4. It's P4 and P3 equals to 3, 5, 6, 7. Value of the 3, 1 plus 3 5 0 6 0 and 7 6 and 7 are 0. Error will be occurred because of number of ones are odd. Number of ones are odd. 1 and 1. Value, no errors occur. Value of P1, P2, P3, P4, number of redundant bits are 0 in the receiver side. Which position is error occurred in the message? We will check. The common digit is 3. 3 is P4. Check the location. The resultant binary word is 0111. It corresponds to the bit location 7 in the above table. The error is detected in the data bit D4. Error is detected in the D4. The error is 0 and it should be changed to 1. Thus the corrected code is 1. How find the error, which position will be error has occurred, and change this code 0 to 1 and 1 to 0 and correct the error. No transmission is required. Retransmission is required. Hamming code is a simple error. Summary of this code: the Hamming code simple error correction method. Use parity bits to detect and fix error. Ideal for reliable communication. Thank you. If any query.